Postpartum personal hygiene is not only related to mother's recovery, but also directly impacts the health of newborns. So, how can mothers scientifically maintain hygiene after childbirth? Do you know the key details to pay attention to each day? What kind of care products should be used to effectively prevent infections? Additionally, how can you keep intimate areas dry to avoid potential health issues? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dear Baby, How Are You? I'm Sophia. Today, we will delve into these questions and provide you with a comprehensive understanding of postpartum hygiene care. 1. Why is maintaining personal hygiene after childbirth so important? In the weeks following delivery, mothers are in a recovery phase and their immune systems are weakened. Areas such as surgical wounds, the uterus, and intimate areas are particularly susceptible to infection. Did you know that postpartum infections can pose a significant threat to a mother's health and may even affect breastfeeding? Maintaining good personal hygiene habits is the first step in helping mothers avoid infections and speed up recovery. Daily hygiene care is not just about cleaning the body. It involves understanding which areas need special attention, how to properly use cleansing products, and how to correctly disinfect wounds. If you overlook these critical details, your body could suffer unnecessary harm. Therefore, it's essential to be vigilant and not just assume that cleaning is sufficient. Scientific care is necessary. 2. How to properly clean intimate areas postpartum. You might wonder if cleaning intimate areas after childbirth is complicated. In fact, once you master the scientific method, it becomes straightforward. It's necessary to wash the external area with warm water daily, but avoid using harsh soaps or irritating washes, as these can disrupt the natural balance of the area and increase the risk of infection. Have you ever considered that many seemingly ordinary cleansing products may not be suitable for the sensitive skin postpartum? Additionally, when cleaning, be gentle and avoid vigorous scrubbing, especially if there are any tears. You can use disposable disinfectant wipes or soft cotton cloths for gentle wiping. Most importantly, after cleaning, keep the area dry, as this is a key step in preventing bacterial growth. 3. How to choose suitable hygiene products. Many mothers find that choosing the right hygiene products postpartum is more complicated than expected. Did you know that using regular sanitary pads postpartum may not handle the increased discharge effectively and could lead to bacterial growth? This is because standard pads may lack adequate absorption and breathability, particularly during the hot summer months, increasing the risk of infection. Therefore, it is crucial to select sanitary pads or protective liners specifically designed for postpartum use. These products generally offer better absorption and breathability, effectively reducing moisture and helping to keep the area dry. Also, remember to change them regularly. Changing hygiene products every 2 to 3 hours not only prevents bacterial growth, but also reduces the risk of infection. 4. How important is wound care? For mothers who have had a cesarean section, caring for the abdominal wound is critical. Similarly, mothers who have had a vaginal delivery need to pay special attention to the care of any perineal tears. Do you know how to properly care for these wounds to prevent infections? First and foremost, keeping the wound area clean and dry is essential. After washing, gently pat dry the surrounding skin with a clean towel. Additionally, your doctor may prescribe some anti-inflammatory ointments or sprays to help prevent wound infections, and it's vital to use them as directed. Moreover, wearing loose-fitting, breathable clothing can aid in wound healing. Tight clothing may rub against the wound, increasing discomfort and even leading to further complications. Thus, opting for soft, moisture-wicking, breathable cotton attire is a great choice. 5. What details should you pay attention to in daily personal care? Have you ever thought that postpartum care consists of many details? For example, wipe from front to back after each use of the toilet to avoid bringing bacteria into private areas. Additionally, when taking a shower, be mindful of the water temperature. Overly hot water can aggravate skin sensitivity, while cold water may lead to discomfort. While showering, it's advisable to avoid long baths, especially when your wounds are not fully healed, as soaking may increase the risk of infection. Instead, opt for short showers with gentle cleansing products, which is a much safer choice. 6. How to maintain good habits to aid recovery. Maintaining personal hygiene is not just about washing the body, it also includes daily habits. For example, eat light meals and avoid spicy or irritating foods to promote wound healing. Additionally, sufficient rest is crucial for recovery. At night, it's recommended to avoid staying up late and to establish a regular routine, allowing your body enough time for self-repair. Lack of sleep can not only affect your immune system, but also slow down wound healing. Therefore, mothers should place a high priority on rest and sleep quality. 7. How to effectively prevent infections. Postpartum mothers have weakened immune systems, especially those who have had a cesarean section, which increases the risk of infection. So, how can infections be effectively prevented? First, be sure to follow up with your doctor, adhere to their instructions, and regularly check the healing of your wounds. Second, pay attention to frequently changing your underwear. Choose cotton materials to ensure breathability and dryness. Reducing exposure to infection sources in daily life is also crucial. For example, avoid close contact with people who have colds or the flu, wear masks when going out, and maintain good hand hygiene. Have you considered that simple hand washing can significantly lower the risk of infection? Finally, don't overlook dietary adjustments. Drink plenty of water and eat foods rich in vitamins and fiber, which not only aid recovery, but also strengthen the immune system to help prevent infections. In short, maintaining personal hygiene is crucial for pregnant women. I hope today's sharing provides you with practical care advice to make your postpartum recovery smoother and healthier. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I will answer them one by one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest parenting knowledge every day. See you next time.